How to create a clustered stacked bar chart in Google Sheets. Clustered stacked bar chart data requirements. You need 2 columns of categorical data to create a clustered stacked bar chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 1 to 10 columns of numerical data to create a clustered stacked bar chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a clustered stacked bar chart with 5 data columns as follows: 2 columns containing categorical data, 3 columns containing numerical data. Important: clustered stacked bar chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Search for clustered stacked bar chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Views. Select Metric Clicks. Select Metric Sales. Select Dimensioned Channel. Select Dimension Gender. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Clustered stacked bar chart is created successfully. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties, then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Now we are going to introduce some of the chart properties. Bar labels. Bar totals. Click on the Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section to change the properties. You can show or hide bar labels. You can show or hide bar totals. Click on the Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. You can reset label properties. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box section. You can change the color of the box. Change the color of all boxes. Click on the Save button. Click on the Chart Settings button to edit the properties. Click on the Axis Location section to edit the properties. Click on the Chart Settings button to edit the properties. You can reset axis location properties. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in Sheet. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.